Honorable audience, now I would like to introduce one of my students, Mr. Aziz, who is taking an English course from Method. Now we will listen to his self-introduction in English. Okay, Mr. Aziz, how are you doing today?
I am fine, sir.
Okay, good. Now we would like to listen to your self-introduction. Are you ready?
Yes,
To
sir.
introduce yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, respected sir and dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank our Moin sir for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sheikh Azizur Rahman. Kindly, I am studying in class 11 at Gopalganj Gop College. I have recently passed SSC 2025 with GPA 5. My father's name is Wahidur Rahman. He is a businessman, and my mother's name is Munni Begum. She is a housewife. My aim in life is to become a doctor. I want to serve the people of my country. My favorite person is Prophet Muhammad SM, peace be upon him. I admire him for his honesty and kindness. My hobby is reading storybooks and watching science videos. I always try to be punctual and sincere. Thank you once again, sir, for this opportunity.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now I would like to ask you some questions.
Yes.
Okay, and tell me about your improvement in English.
I feel very proud and happy about my improvement in English. At first, I found it too difficult to speak and write, but with practice, I have improved a lot. This improvement has given me more confidence in my studies and in daily life. But I will keep learning until I can speak and write English fluently.
Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you, dear audiences, for patience hearing.